Be able to see my virtual machine?
Not your virtual machine. I could be able to see your GoToMeeting application, web application.
Oh, okay.
I could be able to see your chat. Just
Sorry.
right.
Yeah. Can you I didn't get that. I mean, screen. So.
Screen share. Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, I made you as presenter. Let me do that once more. A best suggestion of mine is, as you'll be attending several sessions, that's better to just install the GoToMeeting application on your machine, desktop application, which will give you a better privilege of sharing the screens and all the stuff. Of course, provided if you have permissions, if it is not your office laptop. Yeah, now I can see your virtual machine. I mean, VM workstation. Yeah, I can see Hadoop under -VM. That's your virtual machine, right? Which is powered off. Power on this virtual machine. Kindly everyone power on the virtual machines, please. Everyone kindly power on your virtual machines, please.
Yes.
Ignesh, can we use Oracle VMware? Because I already
Oracle
have
VirtualBox.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do that.
Okay.
So, but I have some concern. Like, if you have Oracle VirtualBox, do you have that VMDK file already present on your machine? Did you create that CentOS?
Yeah, I already have the CentOS 7 actually on the Oracle VirtualBox.
Then no problem. Then.
Okay.
What all I just conveyed, I thought of having all of us in a sync, so that if there was any problem, so that we can get a mutual help.
Okay, sure.
But if you're going for Oracle VirtualBox, which will be different, operations will not be different, definitely. The same command's gonna work, but some sort of help might be different.
Okay.
But anyways, if you have that, no problem. Then just go ahead with that.
Okay.
Right. So I think your machine is ready. What was the problem?
I mean, the installation has to be done right for Hadoop and JDK.
Fine. So we'll continue on your machine.
Yeah.
Great. Thank you. So we'll continue on your mission. That sounds good. So I hope everyone might have powered on your virtual machines. Nav,
yes, sir.
Kindly, please. Right. Kindly just copy Hadoop and JDK to your virtual machine's desktop.
Sorry to ask you, this might be a dumb question. How do we copy to the virtual machine?
No, by default, if you go for VM Workstation, it's gonna give you the privilege, as I shared yesterday. It will be by default mounted with your host operating system, which will be nothing but your Windows. So you can directly copy from your Windows and you can paste it on.
Okay, copy paste. Okay.
Yeah, that's gonna work.
Okay.
And your question is valid because for all who were using VMware player might face some issue because that will not be mounted by default. But VM Workstation gives you that privilege. And let me just know whoever facing the issue that it was not getting copied. Hmm.
Oh, Ignesh, I didn't get in my access.
Right, or else do one thing, just drag and drop,
Okay.
drag and drop.
It worked for me, Vignesh.
It will work actually. Sometimes
Mhm.
even it should work when you just drag and drop. Let's see.
I was not getting like,
No,
while installing the CentOS, I didn't. I mean, like you said that VirtualBox enabled, so I mean, like that
no,
option I
that
didn't.
will no, that will not have any issue actually. You can do one thing, Mr. Vishnu. Just open your window, open your folder wherever you have that, wherever you have JDK and Hadoop on that. Restore down that folder. Restore down that folder.
Restore.
Restore down. Just make it smaller one, and you can drag and drop
Oh,
directly.
I make
Drag
it
and drop.
smaller for
It will work.
yeah, I mean, like the option where it will like restore that one.
Sorry?
Hello. I
Yeah,
mean,
yeah,
like you
please.
said that. Yeah, that one like the restore option like drag and drop. You said that right? Folder.
Restore is nothing but you have your maximize button, right?
Yeah. Okay.
Just click it down, so you'll get a smaller window. That's what I'm just sharing. Restore down button.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, once after that was restored down, you can just simply drag and drop. Just like dragging and dropping between two folders. We usually do that, right? Just
Yes.
similar to that. You can just try drag and drop. It should work.
I was not getting this access with key. I was trying, but it's not.
It's not allowing you.
Yeah. No, it's not.
Right. Can you do one thing then? Do you have a pen drive with you?
No, actually, let me mute so that
No.
I can. Can you like copy and can you paste here?
Sorry?
Can you do like copy here and can you paste here? I mean like next to.
Actually, yeah, it will give you that privilege. Just copy there and go to your virtual machine, desktop. Just kindly right click and paste.
Yeah. Okay.
It's working out.
Yeah, it's working now.
Hmm.
So like that JDK too, right? So both.
Yeah.
Hey Vignesh, this Raj here.
Yeah, Mr. Raj, please tell me.
Do you want me to like unzip the files and copy here, or directly you want me to copy zip files?
No, just don't do anything. Just copy the zip files as it is.
Oh, okay.
Please just copy the zip files. Yeah. right? So I hope everyone might have done this so far, right?
Yep.
Please let me know if anyone is out of our sync. So we'll definitely will move all together, please. Right. Now, let's go to your applications. Just go to your applications, system tools. Last you can see terminal, right? Just kindly open your terminal. Open the terminal. Right. Just make your virtual machine a full screen, because once after you copied Hadoop and JDK, we don't require anything else to copy from your Windows. So just kindly make your virtual machine a full screen. You can click on top that button, yeah, and even unpin that. Before file, you can see that menu bar pinned up. So just click on that icon before file button. Yeah, perfect. Now let's start the steps. The first thing is we need to install JDK. So in order to install JDK, we require the super user permissions, and let's become super user always. So let's make all the installation being the super user. Just switch as root user. Just give SU, enter. Just give SU all. SU indicates switch user. Enter.
It asks for password.
Yes. Provide your password. Right. Now just say cd space desktop, capital D. Desktop, capital D. Enter. Just give ls. Enter. ls, list, ls. No, ls. You can say Hadoop and JDK, right? Just kindly move the JDK to a predefined location. Just do like this. MV. MV stands for move. MV space JD tab. You can hit your tab where the IntelliSense is gonna work, and it's gonna pick up the things. JD, hit your tab. That's it. Hit your tab. Yes. And then just give space /usr. Just observe kindly, everyone. So it is /usr, /usr, not user. It is /usr, usr /local, /local. Enter. Remember that, ensure that before usr you gave /. Okay. And in the similar way, just move Hadoop also. MV space. Anyone faced any issue?
No.
Right. Just give HA tab Hadoop and move to the same location. HA tab
I'm having
/usr.
a problem here, Vignesh.
Yeah,
Sorry.
please tell me. Is it
You said like
specifying no such file or directory? Yeah,
the
MV.
first JDK space, you said, right?
Yeah, JDK, hit your tab. Just after hitting JDK, just hit your tab. It's gonna pick up JDK completely. right?
Yeah, I got it.
Now it was moved.
Yeah, it's moved.
And in a similar way, just let's move for Hadoop also. Let's move the Hadoop one also to the same location, HA tab /usr/local. USR/local. Enter. Perfect. So we moved both of these to a predefined location. Right? I hope everyone might have moved this. Please kindly let me know if anyone is facing any issue, please. Right. So now let's make it like this. CD space /usr/local. That means we are moving to that location. CD space /usr/local. Enter. Please.
Yeah, Vignesh, I'm having problem here.
1 second. Let me have a peep through your screen. 1 second.
Yeah,
Can
sure.
you share your screen? I'm just making you as presenter.
You're able to see my screen now?
Yeah. So no, that's what before USR you did not place /. That's the point.
Sorry. Yeah.
So that was the problem. Hit your up arrow and just you can hit your up arrow. Just hit your up arrow. It's gonna give you the previous one. Yeah.
Okay.
Prefix
Yeah,
your USR with /. Yeah. Enter. Now let's go to that location. Just give CD space /usr/local. And Mr. Vishnu, can you please share your screen once more? I hope everyone might have moved to that location now. User local location. Nav. Here we are going to install JDK. Just give this command. tar space, that is tar space hyphen, that means minus, tar space minus zxvf, zip extract verbose file, zxvf space jdk tab. Enter. This indicates Java is getting installed actually. Right, perfect. Just give ls here, ls list. So everyone can see JDK 1.7 a directory, right? In blue color, which is a directory. Can you please highlight that, Mr. Vishnu, once? JDK is 1.7, blue colored, right? Yes.
Yeah.
That indicates it's a directory. Now, Just right click on this terminal and open a new terminal. Right click on this terminal. You can just right click on this terminal, white space. Wherever on your white space, you can just right click. No, on the white space of the terminal. Right click, open terminal. That's it. Open terminal, first option. Yeah. Now just again in the new terminal, switch as root user, su, enter, provide your password. Now just say cd space tilde symbol. You'll find tilde symbol below your escape key. Yes, tilde symbol, enter. Tilde always indicates home, so we are in the root user's home. Now everyone kindly please open this. gedit space dot bash rc. A file prefix with dot indicates it's a hidden file. Just kindly open this. This is just like exporting the environmental variables in the home path. So whatever we are just going to do now is conveying the Java location to the CentOS. Just give enter. gedit space dot bash rc. Just give enter. Now you can see a directory opened by, a file opened by dot bash rc file. At last, after fi, just give enter. Just say export space in small letters space. Just kindly observe everyone. Let's make it with utmost care, because making any wrong here will not identify Java. So please do that. Export space Java underscore home. Place Java underscore home in caps. Java underscore home should be in caps. Java underscore home equals to, no space. Just don't give any space between Java underscore home and equal to. Now just come to the other terminal, the first terminal. Go to the old terminal, wherever we extracted Java. Yes. Here just type cd space in small letters. cd space jdk tab. Hit your tab. Just give one tab. Type 1 and tab. cd space jdk1 and tab. No. cd space jdk1 tab. Enter. That means we are just changing to that location. Now just give ls here. Everyone can see bin library files here, right?
Yeah.
Yes, perfect. Right click, copy. Nav Java underscore home equals to, paste that over there. Paste it over there. So far we exported Java home. Just give enter. Now we are going to export the path. Export. Now in the next line just give export space path equals to, encapsulate, in caps. Path should be in caps. Path equals to, no space before and after equal to here also. Dollar path, just give dollar path. Dollar path, dollar indicates it's gonna create an echo of the previous. Dollar path, colon, colon. Don't give semicolon. Colon indicates 2 dots. Colon, no. You can see semicolon and you can have 2 dots, right? 2 dots. Colon, colon. Dollar Java underscore home. Home, yes. Slash, in small letters give bin, because bin is the directory over here, so just give that in small letters, bin. Perfect, right? Don't close this bash rc, don't close this until and unless I share. Just keep it as it is. Now go to the first terminal again, back. cd space ... Please, I think everyone of us is in sync. Let me know if anyone is not, or if anyone is facing any issue. Just kindly let me know. Right. Now, just give here tar space TAR space hyphen ZXVF, that means minus ZXVF, again minus ZXVF, whatever we just gave for JDK, it's just similar, the same command. Tar space minus ZXVF space. So you can see tar space minus ZXVF space HA tab, Hadoop tab. Now this is going to install Hadoop now. And we'll again export the home path to Hadoop, to the sent operating system again. Just give enter. I hope everyone is in sync. Please let me know if anyone is facing any issue. Please kindly let me know. Please.
So far, no problems.
Okay, right. Perfect. Just give,
excuse me.
Please, Mr. Raj, please tell me.
Yeah, I'm having the problem here.
Yeah, please.
You said like the same tar.
Tar space minus ZXVF space Hadoop, HA tab.
Yeah.
Yes.
It says like error is not recoverable, existing now.
Sitting now, error is not recoverable. Just give me a moment. I'm gonna make you as present. Just 1 second.
Okay.
Mr. Dilip, yes, I'll even look after that. Just give me a moment, Mr. Dilip. Right. Just
Okay,
give ls. ls. Enter.
For me,
Hadoop. No, it was not a zip file. Did you extract that? Did you copy the extracted one of Hadoop?
Yes.
No, that's what I said. We should not copy that extracted stuff. Just copy the exact actual file. No problem. Go to your Windows, copy that exact file on top of your virtual machine. Yeah, copy that zip file. Yeah. No, it's right. You can just copy it on your desktop directly. Because it will not allow us to copy directly to that user local location. We need to move it.
Okay.
And this step is only for Mr. Raj. Just don't everyone do this. Just go back, Mr. Raj. Erase this. Erase everything. Erase everything. Yeah. This is only for Mr. Raj. Just give rm space -rf space ha tab. Enter. Now in a similar way, Mr. Raj, just give cp space. Now just give mv rather than copying it. We'll move it. Remove that cp. No, remove that cp. Place it with mv space. /home / your username is Raj, right? ra tab hit your tab. No, what was your username? Okay.
Yeah.
Hadoop Raj, okay. Capital D E small letters actually. Only D is capital, rest of the things are small. DES tab. Then just give HA tab. Hit your tab. HAD tab. Hit your tab. It's not consuming. Hit your tab.
It's not coming. No,
okay.
It's not coming.
Hadoop hyphen. Just hit your tab again.
No.
Still okay. Just go to your desktop once. Minimize all your both of these terminals. Your virtual machine's desktop. No, your virtual machine's desktop. On the right side, you can scroll that. You can scroll your no, right side. You can see that. Yes. Just kindly scroll at top. Minimize these all. Minimize them all. It's not copied actually. Hadoop. Just copy it once more. Just kindly copy it once more. Drag and drop. Right. Now just go to the terminal. Whatever you minimized, just get them back. Yeah. And now HAD, yes. Space dot. Just give dot. Enter. Just give ls here. ls. Enter. Now just say tar space -zxvf. Just give me a moment. Just give me a moment. Again, it was coming up with only this extension, only tar extension.
Yeah.
It did not come up with tar.zz extension, right?
Like in downloaded with
this was.
I think Vignesh, we have to move that file from desktop to local location, user local location.
We already moved it actually.
Oh yeah.
We already moved it. The size itself is varying, Mr. Raj. Actually, this is 192 MB. It will be hardly of 61 MB only. Hadoop tar.z file. It will be of hardly 61 MB only.
Oh, it's showing the 198 MB.
192 MB. Okay.
Do you want me to download one more time?
Let's try with this, Mr. Raj. Just go back to your virtual machine screen.
Okay.
Minimize this. Remove that Z. Remove Z over there. No, only remove Z.
Okay.
Delete won't work out. Okay. Tar space minus xvf space HA tab. Hit your tab. Enter. Right. ls. Just give ls. Right, you got your Hadoop. It was installed.
Okay. Yeah.
Just 1 second. Let's have a Mr. Dilip. I'm just making you as presenter. Can you please share your screen too?
Sure.
Yeah.
Thank you.
No, it's not allowing me to make you the presenter privileges. Are you attending from your tablet or from your mobile?
Both, actually.
Okay, so, but I can see, okay, yeah, here it is once.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, I can.
Okay.
Yes. All right. Now here, so just right click on this terminal, open another terminal, right click on this terminal, right click, yeah, here, there itself, open another terminal. Now just say su enter. And Mr. Dilip, just make your virtual machine full screen, or no, let's continue. Just don't make it, don't make it full screen. Let's continue like this.
Okay.
Just provide your password and give enter. Now just say cd enter. Just give cd enter, or you can just give cd space tilde and enter. Yeah, anyways, just give gedit
Okay.
edit space dot bash rc
RC?
dot bash rc gedit space dot bash rc. It's not simple bash rc. Before dot bash rc, it is dot bash rc. Before bash, you should have dot. That indicates it's a hidden file actually. Bash rc. Bash rc.
Okay.
Enter. It'll pop up here. After F5, just give enter. Export space. Java _ home. Export space Java _ home equals to _ home equals to. Just go to the first terminal.
Okay.
Erase this. So you're doing the things on top of other location. right? Anyways, so just give cd space jdk tab. No, in small letters, cd space jdk tab. Tab, yeah. Hit your tab. I'll just give cd space jdk1 tab.
JDK1
jdk1,
tab.
yeah, 1 and tab.
Okay.
Tab, enter. Just give pwd. Enter. Just give enter and then give pwd. Copy that location.
You mean this location?
Yeah, just copy that complete location. Right click. Control C will not work. Just right click.
Okay.
And then, or else you can give Control Shift C. That is the shortcut.
Okay.
Yeah. Also, you can use copy that. Right. The export Java underscore home. Just place that after equal to. That was the location. Just give enter. Export space path equals to. In caps. Just give path equals to $path colon $path in caps again in caps. Path should be again in caps. Colon $Java underscore home.
It's in cap or
Again in caps. $Java underscore home. $Java underscore home.
okay.
Slash bin. Small letters. Slash bin in small letters. Bin is a directory actually. So just give that. Yeah. Just go to the other location. First terminal. Just go to the first terminal back. Yeah. Now just give cd space dot. Enter. Now just give tar space -zxvf.
From here we have to follow as well, right, Vignesh?
Yes. I think everyone might have extracted this already, right? Tar space -zxvf. Hadoop tab.
Hyphen, right?
Tar space -zxvf. Hyphen zx minus, you can just type minus zxvf.
Yeah.
Verbose file.
Okay.
Space HA tab. Hadoop tab. HA tab. Enter. So everyone might have did this already. If not, let's do that now. So I'm just making back Mr. Vishnu as presenter.
Yeah.
Perfect. So I hope everyone is in sync now. And please let me know if you are stuck at any level. Just let me know there itself, at that moment itself, so that will lesser the time gap. Okay.
Yes.
Now,
This
and
tab is
Mr. Vishnu, actually, you already did that, right? Hadoop, it was already populated for you. Just don't do that again. No, don't give cd dot. Okay, cd space local. This is only for Mr. Vishnu. Don't give everyone. Cd space lo tab.
what is that? CD space?
lo local tab. Lo tab.
Okay.
Enter.
Tab, right?
Yeah, enter. Just give enter.
Yeah.
So ensure, just let me know when you give ls, in this terminal, you should see Hadoop 1.2.1 as a directory. That means in blue color. Just give ls, Mr. Vishnu. ls. Right? Hadoop 1.2.1. I think everyone can see that. Accumulated in blue color, which is nothing but a directory. In blue color. Above that, you can see that, right? Above you, whatever you highlighted, just above that, yeah. That indicates it's a directory. So now, let's change to that directory. Just give cd space HAD tab. Enter. Now, just give pwd. Enter. Just copy this location again. So everyone will get user local Hadoop 1.2.1. If you are installing it any other location, you might get your own location. But usually you'll get this. Right? Right click, copy. Perfect. Now just say export space in the next line. Export space Hadoop underscore home. Now we're exporting Hadoop home. Again, Hadoop home should be in caps. Just give Hadoop underscore home. That should be in caps. Hadoop underscore home equals to. Don't give any space before and after equal to. It is normal one. And now just give Control V. You can just paste it. Now you will get Hadoop underscore home equals to /user /local and your location. Right? Now, next line just say export in next line. Again in small letters. Export in small letters again. Export should be always in small letters. Export space path in caps. Just give path PATH should be in caps. Equals to $path should be in caps. $path colon $Hadoop underscore home in caps /bin in small letters. Bin indicates a directory, bin folder in that. So just that should be in small letters. Now save this, save the .-rc. You can see the save button on top. On top you can see the save button, or you can simply give Control S. Right? Don't close this. Please don't close this. Now just go back to your first terminal. Just give cd space, cd space conf configuration directory. Enter. So far we installed JDK and exported the home path to CentOS. We installed Hadoop and we exported the Hadoop home path to CentOS. Now it's time for us to intimate where Java was installed to Hadoop, so that it can run all the services using that JVM, right? So in the conf directory, just give ls. Let me just know that everyone is in the same pace. So everyone should see a file called as hadoop-env.sh. Everyone should see that file, hadoop-env.sh, right?
Yep.
Which indicates Hadoop environmental variables. Now let's open that file. gedit space.
In the same terminal, right?
Yeah, in the same terminal, whatever you're working now currently, wherever you saw that Hadoop-env.sh, in that terminal only, just give this. gedit space Hadoop hyphen not underscore Hadoop hyphen env dot sh. Enter. Failed to count. Yeah, right. Now in the env.sh, I think it was opened, right? env.sh will give you the things like this. In the 7th line, no, I think 1, 2, 3. No, just don't scroll down. Don't scroll down. Just don't scroll down. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7th line, yes. In the 7th line, you can see export Java underscore home. In the 7th line, you can see export Java underscore home, right? I think everyone can see that, please. Before that, you can see hash, right? Yes, Mr. Vishnu. You can see hash, right? Delete that hash. Yeah, please. Mr. Dilip.
I didn't got that. I didn't got this window actually. I got the window, but these files I couldn't see.
Then you might have given the wrong file name. Just close that, whatever that opened. Close this, whatever you opened. No, not everyone. Only from Mr. Dilip. And Mr. Dilip, in your terminal, just give ls.
Okay, one second.
Could you see a file like hadoop-env.sh?
Yeah, I can see that.
You can see that, right? Just give gedit space Hadoop hyphen.
1 second.
Gedit space Hadoop hyphen.
Hadoop is in a capital letter or?
No, everything gonna be in small. Whatever the file name you have, just project the same file name. Everything gonna be change it. So if you just see in the other tab, you can see .bashrc opened, right? In the other tab. Right. Just there you have Java underscore home already exported. Just copy that. Copy that Java underscore home, not completely, only the location. Only the location. Just copy only the location. That means /usr/local, only that location. Yeah. Right click, copy. Right. Now just go to Hadoop env.sh. Replace that with your location. This is your location, right? So I hope everyone got this. Now you replaced the dummy location which was projected in the Hadoop environmental variable with your actual exact JVM location. So we configured JVM for Hadoop. Now just save this. Just save this. Right? I hope everyone might have did this, right?
Yeah.
Till now. And we have few steps to go on where I think that will consume another 30 or 40 minutes of time. Shall we continue now or shall we meet tomorrow to make the other steps? Just kindly let me know. Shall we continue now or shall we make it tomorrow? We have,
I think
we require
continue.
at least, yeah, we can continue.
Yeah, continue. Yeah.
Any problem for anyone?
No issues, Vignesh.
Right. Right. So let's continue that then. Now, just close this Hadoop env.sh. Now you can close the complete gedit because you can even close the .bash rc also. You can even close the .bash rc. Everything you can close it up. But before closing it, just save it. When it asks for saving it, just save it. Yeah, please.
But there are still that Hadoop class path, everything still not set in this file. Don't we have to do that here or not needed?
Which file?
The Hadoop class path, the next two file lines, if you come down.
We already did that, right? No?
No.
We already did that actually. No, Mamta, can I make you as presenter just once?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just don't open your .bash rc.
No, what I'm saying is on Hadoop env.sh, there is Hadoop class path here, right? Do we have to do that also?
No.
Okay, got it. That's all.
Right, okay. Right.
Just save and close everything, right?
Yes, just save and close it.
Yep, okay. Close gedit also.
Yeah, close the gedit. You can close the complete gedit.
Okay.
So far whatever we did is we conveyed where Java is and we conveyed where Hadoop is, the virtual machine. That is nothing but your CentOS. Now it's time for us to make the configurations in the XML files. This is the most important step that we need to adopt because these are all the basic configuration files which were present in the Hadoop environment. So basing on the configurations, whatever you mention, the entire Hadoop gonna run. So let's make it with the utmost care, please. Now on the terminal, whatever we have, currently we are in the Hadoop conf directory location. So in that location itself, Mr. Vishnu, can you please share your screen?
Yeah, okay. 1 minute. Do you able to see?
No. I cannot.
Okay.
Right, I can now. Right. Now, no, I can see the screen. Yeah, fine then. Right. Now in the conf directory, if you just give ls once more, Mr. Vishnu, here on the conf directory, ls, enter. Now everyone can see some files like core-site.xml. Can you highlight them, Mr. Vishnu? In the first line, yes. Core-site.xml, which indicates in this you will mention all the name node configurations. You can see one more file in the last line. You can see mappred-site.xml. Mappred, M-A-P-R-E-D, where you'll mention all the job tracker configurations. And in the similar way, you can see one more file, hdfs-site.xml, in the second or third line. Yeah. Yes. That's the file. hdfs-site.xml. I repeat, core-site.xml, mappred-site.xml, and hdfs-site.xml. These three are the most important files where we're gonna configure Hadoop now. So let's start our journey editing the name node configurations. Just say gedit space core, C-O-R-E, core hyphen S-I-T-E dot, hit your tab, you can hit your tab, it will give you that. Core hyphen site dot XML. Enter. So just let me know that everyone got this window. If anyone got some other window, because you should see a XML file which has configuration tags within it. If you don't see that, that indicates you opened some other file. Just ensure that you opened the same file. You should see a file which has configuration tags in it. Now I typed something in the chat window. In the chat window of GoToMeeting, I typed something which are all the properties. Just minimize your virtual machine. Just restore down your virtual machine and then kindly copy that. Whatever I shared in the chat window. Whatever I shared in the chat window, just kindly copy that. Properties. You can see the properties end to end, completely copy that. Copy that completely. Right click and copy. Right click, copy. Now just go to your virtual machine and paste that between the configuration tags. Yes, between the configuration tags. Here you can see name node directory. So here we are just creating a temporary directory. We are creating a temporary directory. Remember that we require a temporary directory. We discussed that. Yeah, please.
Excuse me, Vishnu. I think I opened a different file.
You opened a different file, right?
So
okay. Just close that initially. Just
okay. One second. One second. Now I'm able to see. 1 second. It should be an XML file, right?
Yeah, that's an XML file.
Okay, I got that.
All right, okay, fine then.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, yeah. So you can see core-site.xml. In that, the first property name is Hadoop temporary directory, where first time after making the configurations, we're gonna format your name node. And formatting the name node for the first time will create a temporary directory in that location, app Hadoop temporary. In that directory, data node gonna store the mapper output data. The intermediate data gonna be stored over there. You can physically see that. Once after the complete cluster was built up, you can see that. And the second property is fs.default.name, where we are mentioning the port number of name node, where we mentioned that as 54310. 54310. Right? So those are the two properties which we made. Just save it. Just save it and then close it. Save it and close it. Now open the other file. Open the other file, gedit space mapred hyphen MAPRED mapred hyphen site.xml SITE, hit your tab dot, yes, mapred hyphen site.xml. Again you'll see the similar sort of pattern with configuration tags. Between the configuration tags, now I just typed in the chat window, which is for the job tracker configurations, MapReduce configurations. I typed it again in the chat window. Just copy that. The second one, where you can see a single property. We did not have two properties here. We have a single property. Just copy it and paste that between the configuration tags. Right. And here you can see mapred job tracker is the property name, and where you can see the port number is 54311. Previously for name node, the port number is 54310. Now here, the port number for job tracker is 54311. Okay. Now just save this. Save this. Save this XML file and close this. Now just go back to the, again, same terminal. Now here let's make the other configuration file, gedit space hdfs -site.xml. I hope everyone, we are in pace. Please, we are in the same sync. Please let me know if anyone is facing any issue. hdfs -site.xml, where again you can see here the configuration tags in which we are going to give the properties of HDFS replication. We know by default the replication factor is 1, but sorry, by default the replication factor is 3. But since ours is a single node cluster, it will anyway don't make all the 3 copies in the same node, because it's useless to make 3 copies on the same node. So if you leave it without configuring this file, it will always pop up with a message specifying that you specified the replication factor as 3, but we have only a single node. Add 2 more nodes so that I can make the remaining 2 copies. So it will always pop up with that exception. So let's make that replication factor to 1. I typed it again in the chat window, just again. It has a single property again, which is dfs.replication, distributed file system.replication, where we set the value to 1. By default it will come with 3. Paste it between the configuration tags. Save this. Save this. Now close this. So we edited all the XML files. I hope everyone made this. I hope everyone made this. Now just close all your terminals. Close both of your terminal, both your terminals. Let's close both. If it is specifying that close terminal, just close the terminal. Ensure closing the terminal, close all your terminals. Now just go to applications, open a fresh terminal. So far we configured everything that was required for Hadoop. Now it's time for us to configure for the starting the services of Hadoop. Now just switch as root user here, just say SU again. SU, enter, switch as root user. In the fresh terminal, just switch as root user. I hope everyone might have closed all your terminals. Provide your password. Now just say CD, enter. CD, enter. Now here we are going to configure SSH. SSH. This is indicating secure shell, where each and every time when you start your services or when you stop your services, it will always ask you for password. You need to type the password for almost 4 times while starting your services, 4 times while stopping your services. Rather than, in order to eradicate it, so we'll configure SSH for the passwordless communication, where you can just make it like this. Mr. Vishnu, just give yum. Remove that SSH. Just give yum, yum, yum space install. Ensure that even you are typing the spaces correctly. Yum space install space, after install there is a space. Open SSH, no spaces in that. Open SSH. open SSH hyphen, no space again, hyphen server, no space, server, SERVER, yum space install space open SSH hyphen server, no spaces in the open SSH hyphen server, just give enter. It will ask you whether would you like to download the things. Just download it. It will download from the yum repository. It will download the things and install them. I hope everyone is in the same step. Please let me know if anyone facing any issue.
Is this okay? Y/n, should I give Y?
Yes, Y. Just give Y. Y indicates we're accepting that.
So I should just go on giving Y, and next again it asks for
Yes.
from.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Complete.
Right. So just let me know if it was completed for everyone. If anyone it is still in process, just let me know.
Yeah, it is running.
Yeah, Mr. Vishnu. Yeah. It will download all the packages, yum in repository. The complete SSH gonna be downloaded. Right. I hope it was completed for everyone. Right. Now, just say SSH hyphen keygen, no space, SSH hyphen keygen, no space, KEYGEN, no space, SSH hyphen keygen, no space. Just give enter. It will ask you to provide a a key. Just don't type anything. Just give enter again. Just give enter again. Again enter. Again enter. Same phrase. Again enter. Right. I think everyone got an image. It will mention random image. Keys random image. Everyone will get an image, right? That was your key.
Yes.
RSA.
Yes, yeah.
Right. Now just change to the directory cd space dot ssh enter. Right. I hope everyone is in this. Now just give ls. Here you can see id underscore RSA and id underscore RSA dot public key. Now we are going to copy this public key to a predefined to a file. Just make it like this: cat space cat space id underscore, hit your tab, RSA dot pub, cat space id underscore RSA dot pub space double greater than, just give double 2 times greater than. That means we are storing the output of this to another file. Space, just give the file name. Please give the complete file name. It is AUTHO authorized, AUTHO RIZED authorized underscore keys, KEYS. enter. AUTHO RIZDD, authorized underscore keys. Right? Now just give ls, you'll find authorized underscore keys also as one of the file.
Yep.
Now just change the permissions on top of this file. chmod, chmod, mod space 700 700. You're giving all the permissions to the first user and no permissions to the other users. 700 space AU tab. Space AU tab. Enter. Right? So far we gave all the permissions. Now just say service space SSHD space start. Service space SSHD. D stands for daemon. SSH stands for secure shell. Service space SSHD space start.
Can you say service space?
Service space
Okay.
SSHD. SSHD. D space start. Start. Enter. And then we need to stop the IP tables because IPv6 should be disabled. Service space IP tables. IP tables space stop. Enter.
What does this mean, IP tables?
We are disabling the IPv6. IPv6 will be disabled because you will have only IPv4 running on.
Okay.
Right? And last step, so far everything was fine. Now just give SSH space localhost. SSH space localhost. Just give enter. It will ask yes or yes or no. Just kindly type completely yes. Enter. Okay. Now just give Hadoop space name node space hyphen format. Hadoop space name node space hyphen no space format. Enter. So we're going to format the name node for the first time. Where once after this was given, please let me know that everyone should get at last name node successfully formatted on the fourth line. I mean, from last you can see that on the third line or fourth line you can see name node successfully formatted, has been successfully formatted.
Yeah.
Right? Everyone saw that message, right?
Where?
No?
Which line?
From last you can see the third line or fourth line. You can see that.
Oh, yeah.
Has been successfully formatted, right?
Yep, yes.
Now let's start the services. Just give start hyphen all.sh. start start minus all.sh. No spaces. Start hyphen all.sh. No spaces. all.sh. sh, not ssh, only sh. Start hyphen all.sh, not ssh. sh indicates shell. SSH indicates secure shell. Start hyphen all.sh. Just give enter. Right. So I hope everyone got this. Just give JPS, Java Programming Services, JPS. Enter. Right. Everyone can see the services. Name node, job tracker, secondary name node, data node, task tracker, and JPS. You'll see all the services, daemons up and running. Just let me know if anyone did not get them. This is your cluster, which is ready. Don't shut down your cluster, because if you shut down, again you need to start your services. You need not to do all these steps, just you need to start your services. Again you need to type start-all.sh. If you're ready for that, you can just stop it, or else you can even suspend your virtual machine. Just go back on your menu bar on top to the virtual machine menu bar, which you unpinned earlier. You can see a pause symbol, right? Pause symbol.
Yeah.
Pause. Yeah, click on that button.
Okay.
Right, this indicates everything was fine enough. So there's the thing. I hope everyone got your cluster up and running. Right? So we shall meet tomorrow and continue the journey. We'll start our discussion with the map reduce part, practicals. Okay?
Vignesh, I'm not able to see the stop button, the one which he saw. Where did he see that?
Button. Pause button.
Pause.
No?
No.
Can you share your screen?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, you can see that, right? Below your file. Below your file. Below your file. You can see file, right? In your virtual machine.
Oh, yeah.
Right.
Thank you.
Yeah. So we'll continue the discussion tomorrow, because it's getting late for my other session.
Okay.
So we'll continue the meeting tomorrow on top of Hadoop. Thank you. Thank you one and all. Bye.